afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, yes, or YouTubers and TikTokers. I'm going to do an unboxing today, but we'll do this one at a time. Because it's nice, it's rainy out. Nice rain, cold. So we'll start with the small package first. We'll see what we got. Oh, here comes Rocky. Oh no, that's Precious. She said she wasn't coming up here. She lied to me. Yeah, you lied to me. You want to help open? You want to help open? Huh? You want to help open it? Hmm? Okay. Well, I got me a thing for in the truck, so I can put, because since I've been having trouble with the one in the truck holding steady, I bought one on Amazon. I'm going to try this one out, see if it works. If it don't, I'm going to buy one that a friend suggested at Walmart. And in this thing I got some original wormwood combinations, so for those parasites. So this has got let's see here. This it's got walnut, black walnut, wormwood, cloves. So the three main ingredients that are for parasites. So I got that. All right. So let me just